Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to overlay images in Google Docs. So first, go to your images and drag and drop them to your document. So I will select both of these and drag and drop them right here. As you can see, in order to overlay them, I have to go right here to the second image, click this icon in front of the text, and then select position options and select fix position on page. Now as you can see, I can move it freely and overlay it like so. If I want to move the second one, I just have to do the same thing, and right now as you can see, I can overlay them however I want them. Just click on it and drag and drop it. So it is really this simple. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.